hurt. You're about Blondie character vote, Randy. You're telling me. I have game volume all the way up still on Turtles. It's fine. You know, I'm recording this game. Then, there was something strange. There was something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? The tape busters. Okay, fine. I bet he's gonna spawn near. I like how we haven't even got tape yet. You were too G for tapes, man. I am just running places just because. But I live through a tape area though. Mine. That actually sounds funny for me because I'm hearing for Turtle Beaches and for TV. Well then, sir. How are you doing? Yeah, you go that way, well then forget you too. We're just gonna go this way. Well then. I don't want to play. I'm just going this game just because I'm bored. Okay. Hey, Randy, this way there might be tape. Or never mind, we were already that way. Never mind. I feel stupid. Stay away. Stay away. Don't thunder from the shell. Do not. Goodness. Oh. That just wasn't right. He left his party in game. That was not right. I don't care if I die. I'll just accept that anyway. Because yellow. Okay. This, I'm playing an uncomfortable position right now, but I don't care. This is gonna be all worth it. It's okay, I can wait. I have patience. Yeah, I know this the hard way. Hey friend, you want a hug? I swear, if a pickle killed me again. Yep. He's gonna spawn behind me. I told you he would. I'm gonna go pick up this tape real quick, Michelle, and then I'll be back there again. There you go. Okay. I don't really mind. Wow, Michelle, you use random